Now, you might be thinking, Google, obviously. And you wouldn't be wrong. But it's not quite that simple. Gemini is a product of Google's AI division, Google AI, which is a powerhouse in the field of artificial intelligence. Think of it like this: Google is the parent company, a massive tech giant with its fingers in countless pies: search, advertising, Android, you name it. Within this vast empire, Google AI is a specialized branch, focusing solely on pushing the boundaries of AI research and development. So, while Google ultimately owns Gemini, it's the brilliant minds at Google AI who are the architects behind this incredible technology. They're the ones tirelessly working to improve Gemini's capabilities, train it on massive datasets, and ensure it's constantly evolving. But let's talk about what makes Gemini so special. It's not just another chatbot, it's a multimodal AI, meaning it can understand and interact with information in various forms: text, images, code, you name it. This versatility is what sets it apart from many other AI models. Imagine asking Gemini to analyze a complex scientific paper, complete with intricate diagrams. It can not only understand the text, but also interpret the visuals, providing you with a deeper and more comprehensive understanding of the research. Or how about generating creative content? Gemini can write compelling stories, compose music, and even create stunning visuals based on your prompts. It's a true multi-talented AI, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of artificial intelligence. Maintain a conversational tone. Now, you might be wondering, what's the big deal about who owns Gemini? Well, ownership in the AI space has significant implications. Firstly, it determines who controls the development and deployment of the technology. In the case of Gemini, it's Google, which means they have the power to decide how and where this powerful AI is used. Secondly, ownership often translates to intellectual property rights. This means Google holds the exclusive rights to Gemini's underlying technology, its algorithms, and the vast datasets used to train it. And finally, ownership can have a significant impact on the competitive landscape. With Gemini, Google aims to stay ahead of the curve in the rapidly evolving AI race. By owning and controlling this cutting-edge technology, they can leverage it to enhance their existing products, gain a competitive edge in the market, and potentially even disrupt entirely new industries. Shift focus with a slightly more serious tone. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. As the owner of such a powerful AI, Google has a crucial role to play in ensuring its ethical and responsible development and deployment. This includes addressing concerns like bias, fairness, and the potential for misuse. Google has emphasized the importance of AI safety and has implemented measures to mitigate potential risks, such as rigorous testing and ongoing monitoring. However, the ethical considerations surrounding advanced AI are complex and constantly evolving. It's a responsibility that requires ongoing dialogue, collaboration, and a commitment to transparency and accountability. But let's not get too bogged down in the complexities. Gemini has the potential to revolutionize countless aspects of our lives. Imagine a future where AI can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, help scientists develop groundbreaking new medicines, and even personalize education for every student. Gemini could unlock new levels of creativity, enabling artists and musicians to push the boundaries of their craft and explore uncharted territories. It could also help us address some of the world's most pressing challenges, from climate change to poverty and inequality. The possibilities are truly endless, and it's an exciting time to be witnessing the rapid advancements in AI. Now, you might be wondering, how can I experience the power of Gemini for myself? Well, Google is gradually integrating Gemini into its various products and services. You might already be experiencing its influence when you search on Google, use Google Assistant, or interact with other Google products. And as Gemini continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge in the years to come. So, there you have it. Gemini, a powerful AI developed by Google AI, is poised to reshape our world in profound ways. While Google is the ultimate owner, it's the combined efforts of countless brilliant minds that have brought this incredible technology to life. As AI continues to advance, it's crucial to have open and honest conversations about its potential benefits and risks, ensuring that this powerful technology is developed and deployed responsibly for the betterment of humanity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.